Hi everyone, in this tutorial I'm going to show you some easy beginner canvas painting. They are basically pattern and they make a beautiful wall art gallery. I'll be using acrylic paints and canvas sheet in this tutorial. Also for each pattern I have different inspired names. So if you're interested, keep on watching. The first one is called the raindrop and it's very easy to make. I have already taped the edges of my canvas and I'm starting off by painting the canvas entirely with this fresh tint acrylic paint. Next, I'm taking round brush in the size 3 to 4 and I picked up all the blue shades that I had with me. Now pick the color in the brush and press it against the canvas to make these raindrop shapes. And keep repeating this step till the bottom of the canvas. Now wherever there is gap, take the other shade of blue and repeat the same process. And I did with the third blue color as well. Lastly, to give the artwork little shimmer, I am using this silver metallic paint. And this is how the raindrop pattern turned out. The next one is called the autumn. I have taken this yellow ochre paint and I'm gonna again cover the canvas entirely with this color. Then I picked up this brown paint and I'm going to draw leaves. You can go ahead and draw different shapes of leaves, but since it's a beginner tutorial, I kept the leaves similar. And here is a clip where I tried these paint markers. These make the process very easier and quicker. And this is how the autumn pattern turned out. I'm pretty much happy with how it came out so well. The next one is called Simple Ethnic, and I think ethnic patterns are so beautiful in a wall art and they become the center of attraction, I feel. And I have always seen ethnic patterns in the market and they are quite expensive, so I have come up with a simple ethnic pattern for you. I started off by mixing red and black color and then I covered the canvas entirely with the color that I got, that is kind of dark maroonish. Let the paint dry, and next I'm taking a pencil and roller and I'm drawing lines vertically and horizontally. I have kept the distance between about 2 cm. Then I'm making diamond shapes like so. Then I picked up this golden paint and I'm gonna paint those diamonds. Next, I'll leave a column, repeat the same with the golden paint. Now on the row which I left earlier, I used this copper paint. To make the pattern stand out more, I am using this red metallic paint inside the diamonds. And this is how the ethnic pattern turned out. I'm so happy with how it turned out. The next pattern is again my most favorite, and it is called the vintage linen, because I have a strong admiration for vintage and vintage looking stuffs. So I'm starting off by covering the entire canvas with this coffee decoction. If you don't have coffee decoction, you can dilute a little bit of instant coffee powder in water and you can use that. After covering the canvas with this coffee stain, let the stain dry completely. Then draw lines horizontally and vertically like so. I'm just giving it a woven pattern. And next I used this flat brush in the size 3 or 4. I picked up this red color and I'm gonna paint all the lines. The combination of the brown stain and red looked perfect. So here I am showing you my blunder. I was supposed to make thin lines in between the thick lines, but by mistake I did thick lines and I decided to go with it. And this is the final look of the vintage linen pattern. And I'm showing you that the coffee decoction leaked a little bit, but that's fine for me. Anyways, the frame is gonna cover it. And I'm so happy how it turned out. So next I'm gonna put them all in a frame. This is a frame that I got from Amazon. If you don't have frame, you can also use cardboard or sunboard or foam board to make DIY frames. And this is how my wall art gallery looks like. I hope you guys enjoyed today's tutorial and I wish it inspired you a little bit. If it did, make sure to subscribe to my channel and also check out my other videos on DIYs and junk journaling. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.